I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motovation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. Before going any further, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when we upload on a weekly basis. That way you stay in the know. It helps us, benefits you. Let's get to it. I'm really excited to kind of show you what we're talking about today. In this video, we're going to talk about the Strauss Carbon Fiber Protection for your motorcycle. Motovation USA is the exclusive distributor for Strauss Carbon Fiber. Strauss Carbon is made out of Slovenia under strict quality control guidelines. Quality to them is extremely important. They want to make sure the fit is almost like OEM or better. Did I mention that they have a growing lineup? You'll be able to protect your motorcycle swing arm, tank, side fairing, and the tail of your bike with carbon fiber. You can't beat that. Let's give them the facts. Give them the facts. Let's give you the facts. They've been crash tested by the crew at Motovation, both at Coda and Willow Spring. And don't be that guy that throws them on afterwards, after you've damaged your bike. You want to cover it up. All right? You want to throw them on before something happened, before a mishap. Protect your bike, protect your paint, protect your tank. Do your bike right, man. Not only they offer the entire lineup in plain and twill weave, you can get it in gloss, matte, or satin. Really dope. I mean, it's a matter of style and taste and how you feel about your bike, the look you're looking for. They can accommodate. The entire Strauss Carbon Fiber lineup is 3D laser scanned to create exact replica. So every time you get it, it's perfect every single time. Motovation includes a special neutral cure silicone that can adhere to your paint and hold well in case of a down, but can be peeled off without damaging the OEM paint. Just wanted to give a big shout out to the people at Gold Coast for allowing us to use their BMW S1000RR to showcase the Strauss Carbon Fiber, which is pretty dope. And you guys already know the deal. For you to grab one of those, MotovationUSA.com, you won't regret it. Very easy process for you to grab one and throw it on your bike or see what fits. It's not just for the BMW. We're just using that as a demo. Hit the site. Links will be in the description down below. Grab one. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motovation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotovationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.